journalism. There's nothing like putting your boots on the ground. You can't recreate that in a classroom environment. Our class took a field trip to the Spotlight newsroom. I introduced myself and I was given the opportunity to swap over into this class.
SUNY has started an initiative with all its campuses to try to use students to help local news outlets cover their towns. We had 4 students participate and we chose Spotlight News because there was a need there, so they were a perfect fit.
The Spotlight is a weekly newspaper that has been around for more than 60 years. With our newsroom right now, we used to have 8 people in there. We don't anymore. So to have 4 more brains to be able to use, work on stories, and compose articles for our readers, we couldn't have been more happier.
I was really inspired by the fact that it is a collaboration with local newsrooms in the capital region to really help revitalize local journalism. So I really wanted to go out in the community, make my voice heard, and just gain more journalism experience.
We covered a full breadth of what's going on in the community, whether it is the school boards, the town boards, and then what's happening on the stages in Albany, Schenectady, Troy, and Saratoga. You
get connected with all kinds of professionals and you get to interview them, talk to concerned members of the community.
And really learning about a community that I'm not from, but being so graciously accepted by kind of other journalists in the area to just learn how to become a better journalist as I go through my career.
You have to go talk to people. I could definitely see this working with a photography class, a multimedia class. We could get people from informatics to do graphics. Political science majors would probably love this to cover government.
I'm really grateful for this experience and I think it really has helped me in so many ways, and I am confident that it's going to help me hopefully get a really meaningful job in the field once I graduate.
I'm grateful for UAlbany and Spotlight for giving me all these opportunities. Journalism and higher education has taught me you're worth going after whatever opportunities in front of you that's going to make you a more happy and successful person.